Welcome to Crossroads. I'm Jerry Kay, journalist in residence for the AP Giannini Foundation. I recently met with Melissa McCracken, a Giannini postdoctoral fellow, to learn about her new job, but we begin talking about her postdoctoral research.
I was a postdoc at Stanford, and I was working in the lab of Irv Weissman. And when I was there, I was interested in T-cell immunity and how our T-cells age with time. And in particular, what I used was the model of CMV, or cytomegalovirus, which is a pretty common virus that greater than 50 to 80% of the general population in the U.S. has.
And now you're at Third Rock Ventures. Tell us about the company and your role there.
So Third Rock is a venture capital firm that's based within the life sciences and healthcare investing. We have offices in San Francisco and also in Boston. And over the last 10 years, we've done a little over 45 companies within the therapeutics, diagnostics, and also medical device. Most recently, we've been really focusing on therapeutic biotech companies, and we build them specifically only within San Francisco and Boston because we take a very hands-on approach, and that we only do what we call company build and kind of company formation rather than traditional investing.
What led to your decision to join Third Rock Ventures?
It was somewhat of an easy decision and also somewhat of a tough decision. One of the best things I think with scientific training is that you have so many doors that are open for you, and you can go into so many different paths. And speaking with a lot of the previous Giannini Fellows, especially at the symposium that we had, you could see that people had these really diverse career paths. And when I was doing my research, I had also had a little bit of experience with it working in biotech, and I started to think, where could I have a really big impact? And one of the things that I really liked about Third Rock was that it worked so closely with these academic inventors, and it allowed me to stay very science-focused, but also see the startup side and really see the impact of taking, essentially inventions from the academics and driving them through into industry. And for me, I liked that because I got a little bit of the startup experience, a lot of the science experience, and a lot of being able to kind of give back and push the field forward.
What advice would you offer to fellows when they're looking at this kind of transition in their lives?
One of the things that was most meaningful for me was to just have a conversation with anybody that was willing to and hear everybody's walks of life, right? Like hear their positives and their negatives and kind of what drove them to that position. Because every one of us has such a diverse background and so much different training and what we've done, especially as you advance your career within science. And you can give back and do so many different things. And for me, I talked to people that had gone into traditional finance, that went into scientific roles in companies, that went into more supportive roles in labs, that went into academics, and kind of teased apart where I thought I would have the most impact and where I thought I would be the most happiest.
My thanks to Melissa McCracken. If you'd like to learn more about the fellowship program or to watch more of our Crossroads videos featuring other Giannini Fellows, please visit our website.